some of the Marxist propagandists have tried to limit the true understanding of Indian history in various different ways. You have dedicated your life to better understanding of our history, and you've done some really fantastic work in dating elements of our itihas.
Hmm.
What archaeological and other scientific evidences have you encountered which proves what a lot of us already know, which is that the Sanatan Dharam is far beyond 5,000 years old?
Okay, good question, Ojasvi. So yes, glad you said 5,000 years, because if anyone asks you, not you, anyone asks a typical Hindu individual, like how old is your civilization? Usually people will answer, oh, it's very old, 5,000 plus years old. And I consider that answer extremely lazy and tamasic. So I'm glad you quoted that, which is to say that's what people will say. But as you already are saying it, that it's beyond 5,000 years. So my journey began as a coincidence, rather, with astronomy in the Mahabharata. So I'll not go into the details on that, but it started with Mahabharata and astronomy, specific evidence. Then I used the same astronomy to Ramayana. But then what I found, and you mentioned archaeology, then I found all the different disciplines of science. If the evidence exists and if we bring them together in like a jigsaw puzzle fashion, like solving the crossword puzzle or the Rubik's cube, trying to put the pieces together, what emerges is extremely impressive. So just to give you a number, I mean, 5,000 years ago looks like yesterday. Okay, that is how a deep antiquity emerges for Indian civilization. And so what are some of the sciences? So archaeology, just the pure archaeology that is done in India takes us back to 7,000 BC. So that's like 9,000 years. And when I say archaeology, I'm referring to a very reductionist view of archaeology, which is to dig in some place and find some metal objects, hooks and pots and pans, and then date them. Actually, archaeology as a discipline has moved way further than the pots and pans business, okay, or finding some old objects. If you look at hydrology, if you look at geology, geophysics, geochemistry, oceanography, climatology, these are all areas of archaeology because they tell us about our past. Okay, and so if you look at the empirical evidence of modern science, and then you start connecting with the ancient Indian narratives, and when I say ancient Indian narratives, I mean, for example, obviously the Itihasa, Mahabharata, Ramayana, Rigveda. Then you look at many other samvitas, either from Ayurveda, from astronomy, other disciplines. A simple picture that emerges, which is so powerful that I would say what it tells us is that our civilization, Indian civilization, is definitely much older than 24,000 years. So that is, so we should give up that 5,000 years old civilization now and start using the word at least 24,000 years ago, or definitely more than 24,000 years.
Namaste. We hope you enjoyed this Chitti Media content. Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.